Mathematicians, it's Mrs. Barberi from Berry School. I'm here to show you how to use our digital Geoboard. Geoboards are great math tools with rubber bands that we make polygons out of. All right, I see on my checklist I need to make a square, a rectangle, a parallelogram, a rhombus, and a trapezoid. I'm going to start with the square. First thing is choose the color of your rubber band. I'm going to go with my favorite color, blue. You can do it two different ways. You can make it one line at a time, like we did earlier this week for other math assignments, or you can stretch it. I'm going to show you one line at a time first. So what you need to do is put your mouse or cursor over the color you want, click, and drag it over to where you want it. And then I'm going to move this over. And one more, click and drag. Oops. Well, if you make a mistake, you click on the one rubber band, you press the trash can to delete it. Click and drag, move that over. And there's my square, one line at a time. Another way is I can use just one rubber band. Click and drag, and since rubber bands are stretchy, I'm going to click on the middle of it and move it. Hey, that looks like a different polygon. But if I click in the middle again and stretch it, look at that. I have my square. And then I can keep it like that and be all set, or I can color them in. Like that. Either way is fine. So what I could do is then go on to my next polygon. But if I want more room, I'm going to delete it. Before I do, though, I want to take a screenshot so I can email this to my teacher. For a screenshot, if you have a PC, you're going to press the print screen or screenshot button. If you have a Mac, you're going to hold Command, then hold Shift, and the number 3. When you hear that camera shutter click, you know you have a screenshot. Okay. So I'm going to clear my board. So I'm going to select all of it in the middle and press the trash can. And again. So that was how you do the whole polygon at once, and this is how you delete it line by line. Either way works. My next polygon, I'm going to pick a different color. Go over here, drag it. Do you have a prediction for what polygon I'm going to do next? Go from the middle, here, and then here. What polygon did I make? A trapezoid. I'm going to take my screenshot. If I want to, I can change the color from here. That matters. Also, I can have that on one big grid. And when I do, I can put all of my shapes on one grid. And then at the end, just take one screenshot and send my teacher one picture. So that's what I could do. You can also stretch it out to make a big version too, if you'd like. You don't have to make a small one, but you can make a big square or a big rectangle. You get to pick. That's what's so fun about this. Let's see. You can play around with it too. Let's see, what does that kind of look like? You also don't just, after you do your checklist of all your quadrilaterals, you can, for fun, make polygons of different sizes too. There you go. Take my screenshot. I'm not going to make the rest of the polygons because I want you to try to figure out how to do those. And then just for fun, I also have the grid up. You don't have to have the grid. That's up to you. But just for fun, after you do your required polygons, there's also a circle one, which is just fun to play with. All right, that's it for today, mathematicians. Be kind to each other.